In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete my credit card from Facebook Marketplace. By the end, your saved card will be removed from MetaPay, which Marketplace uses for payments. Start by opening the Facebook app on your Android phone or iPhone. Look for the familiar Facebook icon, tap it once, and wait for the home feed to load fully. You should see your news feed with posts, the search bar at the top, and shortcuts along the bottom or top depending on your device. Now tap the menu button. On most phones, it looks like three horizontal lines. It is usually in the bottom right on iPhone and in the top right on many Android phones. When you tap it, the screen changes to show your profile picture at the top, along with shortcuts like Groups, Marketplace, and Settings. From here, tap Settings and Privacy. When you tap it, a small list expands right below, and you will see options like Settings, Device Requests, and maybe Help and Support. This confirms you are in the right place to adjust how your account behaves. Next, tap Settings. The app now opens a full settings page with sections such as Account, Preferences, Audience and Visibility, and more. You might need to scroll a little, but you will know you are here when you see a long list of account-related options instead of the regular Facebook feed. On this screen, open Account Center. You will usually find it near the top, under a section about Meta accounts. Tap it once. The view switches to a slightly different layout, often with your profile picture and your name at the top, and sections labeled Personal Details, Password and Security, and MetaPay. Account Center is where Meta manages settings shared between Facebook and Instagram. Now tap MetaPay. The MetaPay page appears, showing options like payment methods, security, and maybe activity. MetaPay is the service Facebook Marketplace uses to store your credit card details for purchases and checkouts. Next up, tap Payment Methods. The Payment Methods screen will show any cards or accounts you have saved. You should see your credit card listed here, usually showing the last 4 digits, the card brand, and maybe an expiration date. If nothing appears, then no card is saved on this Meta account. Select your credit card. Tap directly on the card entry with the last 4 digits that match the card you want to remove. A new screen opens with more detail about that card, including its billing information and options related to it. Many beginners tap the wrong card, so double-check the last 4 digits before continuing. Now tap Remove Card. After tapping, a confirmation message or pop-up appears, usually asking if you are sure you want to remove this payment method. The background may dim slightly, and you will see buttons like Cancel and Remove. Finally, Confirm Removal. Tap the option to confirm, and the card disappears from the payment methods list. Once it vanishes from this list, Facebook Marketplace will no longer be able to charge that card through MetaPay. You just removed your credit card from Facebook Marketplace, so if this helped you clean up your payment methods, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more clear walkthroughs.